Hey guys, happy Sunday. We're starting the week and this is the team.
On Thursday, I did some changes to deploy the missions and the identity contracts to the mainnet that will be connected to the real DAV token, and upgraded all the captains accordingly. And it is done. And today I'm going back to redefining the DAV SDK. I think I will look into some off-chain transaction solutions and routing, peer-to-peer routing, in order to get some functionality that will be decentralized. That's it for today.
Hi guys, first day I worked on some improvements on the website. Today I have one last improvement about an animation, and then I'm going to go back to work about Captain Scott.
Hi.
Yeah, so I'm working on Captain God to fix some small bug, which it's might be complicated. So we see what's going on, and hopefully I will finish it soon, and I will go to do whatever the captain say.
So after we finish all our last technical debts to the captains and to the ICO and token sale processes, the next step for us is to start defining the SDK. So Anatoly has started that already. We're going to, all of us, participate in this phase to redefine what needs to be done for the SDK, and like in a few months we're supposed to create a new version for the SDK, which is going to be much better and much more robust. Okay, so see you guys tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Aparta here. Yesterday did a bunch of things, everywhere from email marketing to segmenting to completing some documentation around potential partners, some synergies we're working on there across different areas. Can't go into too much detail. Beyond that, today a lot of my focus is going to be working on some copy and material and with legal for some potential new announcements for next week as well. So good things on the horizon as always, and we're all working hard over here per typical. Thanks everybody, have a great day.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today I edited one DailyDAV and here is Alik. And for the rest of the day I'm gonna be working on blockchain meetup at Google Campus. I'm gonna finish it today and send the team for feedbacks. And that will be it. See you next time.
Hey there, Davers. So we just met with a very big automotive OEM discussing possible collaboration. It was very interesting.
Yeah, we basically draw some outlines of how the DAV protocol can be implemented within their fleet of smart cars and hybrid cars. It was really interesting.
Yeah, now we're heading back to the office to work on some very exciting developments we'll be able to share in the next few days. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, this week I worked on some visual additions to our homepage and on a proposal for a potential partner, a European shuttle bus company. So today I continued with this proposal and created another one, as apparently we have another potential partner in line, which is great. And also worked on some general marketing optimization, and this is it. Thanks.